Everything that we use is actually of a higher grade, and that's what makes us different. And it takes literally for the consumer that's getting the meal kit, it's 15 to 20 minutes, and they've got their meal prepared freshly from the pack that they've got. The biggest difference between our meal kits, and we do a lot more other than just pasta meal kits, but the pasta meal kits especially are manufactured fresh and delivered fresh. And what we've got is we've got restaurant quality meals that we've actually pulled together, a number of different recipes, lots of fresh ingredients. We do all the hard work here in the kitchen, and we supply fresh to the consumer. The consumer has 3 days within which to cook it fresh. Some of the recipes and some of the source ingredients can be frozen. We don't supply this frozen pack of spaghetti and bolognese and frozen lasagnas. And that's what differentiates us between the competition or the other guys out there and ourselves. And in terms of ingredients and quality of ingredients, we only source the finest. In terms of our vegetables, we actually go to the market every single day to check and see what's fresh. In terms of some of the products that you just can't get locally, we make sure that they come from imported from Italy. We use top quality Parmesan cheese, which is actually Parmigiano Reggiano, 36-month-old. We use quality extra virgin olive oil. Well, the year that we've had now has been a development year, developing the brand, developing the concept, putting recipes together, putting and understanding the different customer touch points that we have within the restaurant environment. And you can see the space at the moment here that you're in is quite unique. You're walking into an industrial complex and you're coming through into the space that looks very different. And the whole atmosphere, the vibe, the customer experience is what we want to make sure that we replicate in our store environment in the restaurants. We're not going mainstream, we're not going into the normal shopping complexes that a lot of the brands are in. We've got our first site allocated in a standalone site in quite a prominent area in Pretoria. And that's where we're going to launch the whole idea to the public. So over the last year we've had some fantastic responses because the chef table has been open for the last 6-7 months. We've had many regulars coming back. It's a unique setting where you've got a maximum of 10 seats, very personalized. It's been fantastic, and the meal kits have been phenomenal. We've got about 130 odd active customers that buy from us on a regular basis, and we deliver to their homes either Tuesday or a Friday.